Hello, I'm lead meteorologist Thomas Pepe with the National Weather Service here in San Angelo, Texas, bringing you this presentation on understanding climate outlooks and how they can be used for general planning and impact-based decision support services. During this presentation, you will learn what climate outlook products are available and where to find them on the Climate Prediction Center's website, what the difference is between climate outlooks and weather forecast products, how to read and understand the 6 to 10 day, 8 to 14 day, and seasonal 3-month climate outlooks, and how extended range and seasonal climate outlooks can help with general planning and impact-based decision support services. First, we will tackle the difference between climate outlooks and weather forecast and hazard products. Weather forecast and hazard products issued by your local National Weather Service forecast office range from the current and ongoing weather conditions to up to 1 week in the future for a specified forecast area. This includes the short-term and long-term forecasts, which cover days 1 to 8, watches, warnings, and advisories. Climate products issued by the Climate Prediction Center can range from any time period beyond 1 week for the continental U.S., Alaska, Hawaii, and other Pacific islands. This includes the 6 to 10 day, 8 to 14 day, week 3 through 4, monthly, and seasonal 3-month climate outlooks, as well as a monthly drought outlook. For this presentation, we will focus on the extended range and seasonal climate products that can be utilized for impact-based decision support services by decision makers for preparedness, response, and climate-related risk reduction, as well as general use for the public. As you can see in the graph, as forecast lead time increases, forecast uncertainty naturally increases, and we begin to venture into the preparation phase of impact-based decision support. Knowing how to read and understand the information provided in the following climate outlooks are key to helping you make informed decisions. The letter B and blue colors indicate below normal. A and orange-red colors indicate above normal. And the letter N and white-filled areas indicate near normal, or equal chances. The darker the shading, the greater the level of confidence. The numbers labeling the contours separating different shades gives the probability or chance that the indicated category, A, B, or N, will occur. The probabilities of all 3 categories are implied on the maps and sum to 100%. When the probability of the above or below category is greater than 33.33% by the same amount, the probability of the opposite category declines by that exact amount, while the probability in the middle category remains at 33.33%. It is imperative that anyone utilizing climate graphics remember that this is not a deterministic forecast product, where if the graphic shows above normal temperatures for a specific time period, that does not mean for the entire time period temperatures are expected to be above normal. What it does mean is that for the specific area, there is an above average chance or probability for above normal temperatures averaged over that specific time period. The 6 to 10 day temperature and precipitation outlooks are meant to show the probability or chances of how above, below, or near normal the observed temperatures and precipitation will be averaged over days 6 through 10. Basically, how likely on average is it to be above, below, or near normal for that day 6 through day 10 period? As you can see in the provided images, the Climate Prediction Center includes a legend at the bottom of the graphic, depicted by an arrow, showing the levels of probability, which consist of likely above, leaning above, near normal, leaning below, and likely below percent chances. In these specific graphics from November 21st, 2021, and looking specifically at West Central Texas, which is depicted by a heart shape on the graphs, the 6 to 10 day outlook for this area shows likely above average chances for above normal temperatures, which refers to the 50 to 60% chance level in the key, and leaning below average chances for below normal precipitation, referring to the 33 to 40% chance level in the key. The 8 to 14 day temperature and precipitation outlooks are very similar to the 6 to 10 day outlooks, with the only difference being that it is averaged over a 7-day period slightly further into the future, covering day 8 through day 14. In these specific graphics from November 21st, 2021, and looking specifically at West Central Texas, again depicted by the heart shape, the 8 to 14 day outlook for this area shows likely above average chances for above normal temperatures, which refers to the 60 to 70% chance level in the key, and leaning below average chances for below normal precipitation, referring to the 33 to 40% chance level in the key. Basically, there is higher confidence, 60 to 70% chance, in temperatures being above normal, and slightly less confidence, 33 to 40% chance, in precipitation being below normal for days 8 through 14. The seasonal 3-month temperature and precipitation outlooks are meant to show the probability or chances of how above, below, or near normal the observed temperatures and precipitation will be averaged over a 3-month period. Basically, how likely on average is it to be above, below, or near normal over a 3-month period? In this case, it is for December, January, and February. As you can see in the provided images, the Climate Prediction Center includes a legend at the bottom of the graphic depicted by the arrow, just like the previous outlooks we covered. The only difference is that instead of the near normal wording, equal chances is used for the middle 33.33% chances that are neither above or below. In these specific graphics from November 21st, 2021, and looking specifically at West Central Texas, depicted by the heart shape, the seasonal 3-month outlook covering months December, January, and February for this area shows leaning above average chances for above normal temperatures, which refers to the 40 to 50% chance level in the key, and leaning below average chances for below normal precipitation, referring to the 40 to 50% chance level in the key. In summary, climate outlooks can be utilized to gauge the confidence in the chances of above, below, and near normal or equal chances conditions averaged over a specific time period. The Climate Prediction Center issues extended range and seasonal climate outlook maps, many of which have accompanying technical discussions with them. The CPC outlooks and forecast products complement the short-range weather forecasts issued by the National Weather Service. Climate outlook maps can help the general public and key decision makers plan ahead. And all Climate Prediction Center products can be found at www.cpc.ncep.noaa.gov. Thank you for tuning into this presentation, and please feel free to call us or email us, or follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter for more information and weather updates.